ULY stock analysis, should you buy or wait? I'm answering this in this short 1-minute video. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in mentors and courses in 5 years of my time. Finally figured out, what's making me money and what's not. And by the way, I have 40,000 videos, journey documentation on this YouTube channel, not like anyone else in the space. More videos than anyone else in the space, I'm saying. And that means that even though this pumped out of absolutely being dead for a very long time, these are the exact movements that I've seen the most success with, the most leverage. And actually, when I say this, I'm just looking to double down on this long side. Again, it's not going to be in a way where I'm just randomly looking to buy here. No. What I would prefer is a little small little correct. I mean, I really doubt that the small little correction is about to happen, but if it does happen and I see that double break, then and only then I'm looking to buy. Other than that, this is all pure noise. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will see you in the next one.